did good, Strange. Just rest now.
I'll attend contact with Nova Corps. Tell them to be ready when the Citadel shield drops.
If the shield drops...
This is it, people. Time to give Kang his fight.
You were like the cutest thing ever. Could I maybe write you into my fanfic?
I am Groot.
I'm gonna take that as a yes. Thanks.
You were saying?
Cosmo has diverted most of Nowhere's primary energy through a series of sub-relay stations. When you get up there, reinstate the main singularity cell. The resulting Faraday effect will create a distortion field via the quantum emitter. Any questions? Oh, you know what? Just leave it to Stark.
Where's Tony? Are we prepped? Oh man, I can't wait to meet a talking dog.
Okay, guys. You both ready?
Nice suit!
Thanks. I modified the main...
Sorry, Sonny Man. In rush.
You okay?
Ow. Let's just go prime the giant skull in the sky and face the cataclysmal forces of Kang outside.
Yeesh. That thing's a lot uglier than I remember.
Well, it's a big floating skull. It was never gonna be winning any beauty pageants.
Hurry up, you guys! I want to meet the talking dog!
Please to be hurrying to Cosmo so the show can be played to the road!
Welcome, comrades! Space-time continuum has been a bumpy ride. Critical equipment for operation slightly damaged on journey. Please to be excusing mess.
Slightly? I'd hate to see severely.
Talking dog! This has made the whole Kang thing totally worth it!
That is it. Way Cosmo sees, if nothing bad happening from rubble not being where it's supposed to be, then rubble probably not needed in first place.
Yeah. Wait, what?
That's what you keep in your emergency supplies box?
Comrade Quill is frequent visitor to Nowhere. Best to being prepared for his visits. Looks like equipment could be doing with tune-up.
Hint, hint, right? How did you get this far when you can't even fix up your own equipment?
Mostly through the tail waggings and tongue lollings and gullible super persons. Now we are cooking with the gas. Cosmo will press go button once comrades are prepared.
I've got good news for you. The plan to bring in Nowhere from who knows where was successful. Admittedly, Kang got wind of the plan at the last minute and tried to send a different head-shaped planet through the portal. But that didn't deter the heroes. Ahem. Despite certain naysayers around here, the good guys have found there was a use for Nowhere. Finally, we can get rid of this bozo. This could be it. I can't believe I'm saying this. After all the mistakes they've made, but... good luck, heroes! Yeah, even Spider-Man.
Warfare on this scale fills one with such a thrill of the senses. Wouldn't you agree, Ravonna? Ah, no matter. She couldn't possibly comprehend the delicate intricacies of my master plan. As for the heroes, let them come.
Thanks, Captain Marvel. We're good to go here.
Cosmo fired the EMP?
Now! Okay, shields are down, Carol.
Nova Squadron, light it up. Kang's ship! It just wiped out the whole squadron. Tony?
Yeah, we saw everything. Kang must have teleported it in from outside of Chronopolis. I'm taking my team to intercept now.
Okay, Quill, we're coming up fast. Get ready to jump.
So where's the entrance?
We make one.
All right, guys, we're in. Let's head to the main bridge.
Got it.
What have we here? Some Avengers trying to stop my inevitable triumph. How utterly amusing.
Can't have a world-ending crisis without a few laughs, right?
We'll see how funny it is when I'm through with you.
Oh, come on, man. Seriously?
Whoa! So, that just happened. I've got this. Nice! Just wish I could use stuff like this to pay my rent. Nice! Just wish I could use stuff like this to pay my rent.
Okay, now where are we?
And what's that King robot doing with that generator?
Sort of looks like he's drawing energy from it. That's a neat trick.
That monorail tube is our ticket to the bridge. But we need to get past our glowing friends if we want to use it.
Still here, are you? My apologies. I was attending to something else, but I suppose I should destroy you all. So, get them.
Don't you love it when people make time for each other?
Yeah, King might act all mean and tough, but deep down, he's just the worst.
This looks promising. Maybe we can hack into Mr. Blue Guy's systems from here. Their shields are down. Let's go get them.
Business.
Nice work, webhead.
All aboard! People still say that on Earth, right?
So, Tony, bet you wish you had Thor Hulk along for the ride.
Hey, the last thing I need is a raging Hulk. Right now, I need your spider senses. And Star-Lord's...
Bravo! Bravo! I applaud your fortitude. Your tactics were audacious.
Now!
Hologram? Well, if we can't hurt him, he can't hurt us.
No, but I can plummet this ship into the ground. Now, you must excuse me. I will leave you with a parting gift. Meet Korvac. If the crash doesn't obliterate you, he surely will.
Not good. Korvac is one with the power cosmic. He's pretty much a god.
Okay. Now I wish I had a Hulk.
You loathsome beings! I'm going to enjoy my role in your imminent demise.
Look, his shield's drained.
Can't use this? My legendary spider luck strikes again.
Get me out of here! Taste my unlimited power! Nothing can stop me!
Look, his shield's drained.
You're only delaying your dismal fate!
shitty one, but how much sky do you think we got left?
He's almost beaten, but we gotta be running out of time.
So close. Almost there.
Hey, where did he go?
Warning. Impact imminent.
Who knows, but we're leaving too.
Okay, I know Kang just crashed it, but if anyone asks, it was all us.
Oh.